What up my peeps, it's your boy here again with another video. Yo, this time, that one here, off the chain. The pastor saying if you go to the dance hall and get more notoriety, you know, and make him think shut up more because it's bad. You see me? Me not go hold it no longer. Yo, just take a look what the man deal with over here, so.
Low. Let me hear all the men say hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Reverend, can I talk to the men them for a little while? Quick. Let me sit down as a touch. Are they in charge tonight? Oh, hallelujah. Men must be in charge. Hallelujah. Lower. Shh. You have some man say them so strong. That's they can go down by Sister Mary house 2:30 in the morning. Them alone go keep prayer meeting and them not afraid. Touch your neighbor and say I don't recommend it.
Don't recommend it. Maybe.
Look, one drop. Let me talk to them man they don't shh. I go reason with some Christian man in the place. So I say them strong like Samson. Them now watch no face. Who know better thank God for him goodness and grace. If I know him, Delilah deal with no case. Some man say them strong like 14 lion. Them now run for resist any temptation. When Jezebel a pass that she lick a short frack. If we not start intercede, man get heart attack. God make man attract woman. Vice versa. Woman for be attracted to man. Fornication. God said that wrong. Adultery. God said that. Lesbianism, God said that wrong. Chichi man, God said that wrong. Adultery, God said that wrong. If you can't manage the temptation, make me tell you no something. Go buy wedding band. You know, see your mind shine is a lesson I learned. I rather to be married because I not like burn. Oh, what on? Sex not all. What on, lush?
Pastor
Sex not all preach in a church at that me notice. A full time some pastor start the practice. For preach a of that and preach a of this because them are young people here. Them life is at risk. Love experiment like them are young scientists. Cool. Some man say them strong like Sylvester Stallone. Left them wife hired and gone over the sister home. Fiwa. Both in gone come to Simon in another big empty house to do what them they alone. Satan come in and start do what him fi do. He said that you counsel she start counsel you. And the next thing you know say you get in a trouble. Next time she want you counsel hear what you fi do. Can't Steve, can't Cleve, can't Brother Andrew, can't Sean, can't Dan, can't Gina and Jojo, can't the whole church and can't the pastor. And make sure you can't Reverend all to be God. No, nothing make you.
Yo. Jano Star. That was a good performance by the pastor there. That pastor was amazing. You see me? Lyrical, bad. Me even know what to say. Because probably if we go to dance hall, probably that get more notoriety and just start make more money. But you know, Christian thing, you see me? Them not gonna want to do that. You see me? Alright peeps, if this is your first time watching this video, please, or visiting this channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share, you know, like, and just continue to show support. Alright? Thank you very much. Blessed.